Now there's something that is bothering me a little bit, not too much. You notice that our field here doesn't take the entire span of this container, and we want that. So how do we change that? Well, let's go back to our components. That's where we have created this outline field, which is inside of this input composable, okay? So you notice here where we have our modifier, we can actually obviously continue, right? Tag along and say fill max width as that. And if we refresh or run or rerun this, we should be able to see the result that we want, which is going to be something like this, all the way like that. And voila, you can see it works great. I can add a value here again, and we have split, click, and it's looking really good. All right, so that was a small thing that I wanted to clear out because it was just bugging me a little bit, and I'm sure it may have been bugging you as well. All right, so while we're here, we can go back to our main here because we know that between these buttons, we want to add yet another text. The text that's going to be holding the actual split value. So let's see, we have a row, we have our buttons. So in the middle here, this is where I'm going to say text. So I'm going to pass our text there, and I'm going to say, for now, let's just put 3. And let's pass a modifier. And I'm going to align this text here, use align and alignment, center vertically as such. And let's tag along, give a padding. And I'm going to use this overload here. So start, I'm going to give about 9 dp, and it's going to be about 9 dp as well. Okay, so let's see. Add something, voila, it's very good. Now the idea obviously is as we go up, we want to change this value to go up. Click minus, it's going to go down. Now, as an exercise, because we have seen this before, I would like you to, for now, just as a testing, I want you to implement this up, adding more people and removing people, meaning we are going to decrement and increase. So click plus, we want to see this number going up, minus this going down. But also I want you to make sure that there's a range. So the default value of split here has to be 1 because we don't want to split with 0, right? That makes no sense. So when it gets to 1, doesn't matter how many times we click minus, it's not going to go below 1. Okay, so take some time and think about it. See if you can come up with a good solution.